Dr. DIY here. I'm going to show you how to use one of these and one of these to make flushing your sprinkler pipes a breeze. So why would you want to do this? Lots of dirt and plant debris get lodged in the sprinkler pipes and heads over time. You can see after a winter of not using the sprinklers, I had to unbury the sprinkler head. So you can see how dirt gets in the system. When the sprinkler falls down at the end of the watering cycle, there's potential for stuff to get down in there. So, first, clear overgrown grass from around the sprinkler head. This also makes it more visible and less likely for you to walk into it when you're barefoot enjoying the grass. This procedure can be replicated on all the heads operated by a valve so long as you have multiple locking pliers and gloves. That way, you flush everything at once. I'm just showing you one head for example. First, pull up the sprinkler, then estimate its diameter by approximating the pliers without locking them. Remember, the sprinkler is plastic, so you want to have only barely enough pressure to hold it. The gloves help hold it in place as well as cushion the plastic from the metal. Take your time, then put the glove over the pliers and lock in place. Unscrew the sprinkler head. Turn on the valve to start flushing the lines. Wait for the eruption of air to jet out anything down there. Boom! Inspect the filters on the sprinkler heads. This one isn't too bad. But check out this one. That's going to slow your flow. Carefully separate the filter from the head. Now rinse the filter with a hose. Rinse the head as well. Push upward from the bottom of these MP rotators to lift the red part and rinse underneath. There could be lots of dirt underneath there. There you go. Take your time. Good. If you need to adjust the spray, that tiny flathead screw is difficult to access. Now's a good time to degunk it. Hose it down and gently scrub if needed. Remember, it's a plastic top, so be gentle.
Gentle!
Reattach the filter and head, screw them back on, release the pliers, and fire up your system. I noticed an increase in power. Now to work on lawn rehab. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out. If it did, please hit like so it'll be easier to find by others. Consider subscribing. If I saved you some money by avoiding paying a landscaper, consider buying me a cup of coffee. No annoying subscription needed. Thank you, and I'll see you the next time something breaks.
Gentle!